Okay, one of the things that I love about quad twisted pair is it's just cheap and free. And you chop it up, and there's 8 wires inside. So I'm using these for control, ground, and 5 volts is brown. Green, all this green will go to the chassis. And I got these little Dupont crimps. Let's see if I can. Okay, so I get it on a roll. Take one off. I had a crimper tool, but these are cheap because this is a Dupont. Put the little thing in. Oh, my demonstration is going bad. Put the thing in, and there's like a little stopper on the other side, right? So it stops it. You put the wire through. It crimps it in and makes a really cheap, great connection. So I load it up. I'm only doing 4 here, so click, click. No soldering, right? No chemicals. Click, click. And this one actually, this tool has like a little, it's like a little break at the back. And what it does is it actually bends the wire, like gives it a kink, so it's in line with the, I guess the socket portion. All right, one more. They're quick. I'm not quick at it, but I bet you there are some people who can do like 1,000,000 of these an hour. Or I'm sure there's machines. Whoa. That one got pushed out a little. Oh, either this one's going to work. Oh boy. Brutal. Throw that one away. But I bought this little kit that had males, females, pins and sockets. I prefer pins and sockets. Don't choke. And I got these little 4-position ones, and I'm doing so pin 2 is orange, and I think I'm doing like this, and then click. Click. Twist. Don't forget the twists. Not that this matters because they're 2 different signals. Actually, no twists would be better, but too bad. Give them a little tug test. Those 2 don't look as good as the others. Way to go, blue. Anyway, when I hook that up, this will go to ground, chassis ground. Yeah, see, those don't look like they sat. Now they're in there. This one's still. Oh, why does the demo always go bad? Anyway, Dupont. I guess it's some kind of chemical company.